Hi SCT Magazine friends, it's Vicki Boutin here, and I have something I'm really excited to share. Something I've been working on for almost a year now, my new creative space, and I'm really happy to be taking you on a tour of my new scrapbook room. So come on, let's go take a look. Here we go. So I'm just going to give you a little overview of my space. This started out as a storage room in our basement, and I kind of sketched out what I wanted because this is my job, so I'm in this room all the time. So I decided to make this space my creating space. So let me just give you an idea of what's going on in here. So let's start. I'm going to walk towards the end and we'll enter back into this space. So this room is a desk over here so that I can do my computer work and such, and lots of IKEA storage, kind of customized everything so I could get it all to fit. A huge craft table that I put together. It's definitely custom out of IKEA stuff. I just kind of hacked some IKEA things to make this big table because I definitely need lots of room to spread out and do all of my stuff on. We also put a kitchen in down here, like a mini kitchen, because I do a lot of mixed media work, so I'm always washing brushes and stuff. So we have lots of cupboards, a fridge, so I can put all my Diet Pop in there to keep the energy going. And then some different storage that I found, and pieces I had that I just incorporated into this room. So I love this storage bin that I found. And then we have this area, and I put a plug up in the ceiling so that I could film over here when I want to. I can put a camera up top, and then some extra storage with props and such. And then I have a little sitting area because, like I said, I spend a lot of time in this room, so I like that I can sit on my little sofa and watch some Netflix. And the sign up here is from my booth at Creativation with American Crafts, so I put it in the airplane and brought it back with me. And then we have a little area over here to add messages and notes and things that I need to do. So I got that idea from scrapbook.com. I love it. And this was from my friend Shannon made me. I have to hang it yet. I have a TV down here we mounted on the wall, and then lots of storage for all of my Vicki Boutin stuff with American Crafts. And then I have this custom cabinet that actually is also a door into the storage room. So it opens up, it's on casters and opens up. And then, like I said, lots of pretty stuff. I like to see all of my little collection. And then I have the storage wall with IKEA stuff. And yeah, that's about it. A quick little tour. There'll be more to come, but I want all of my friends at Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine to see the room I'm really happy to share with you. So definitely check back on my YouTube channel, and I'll have more details about all the storage. But that's it for Vicki Boutin. Thanks for joining me.